Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the closing summary. Let's find out how the markets performed today. Indices remained weak but moved in a narrow band as stock specific rollovers gathered pace ahead of tomorrow's expiry of the June derivative series. Selling in the index heavyweight Reliance Industries ahead of tomorrow's annual general meeting also put pressure on the indices. Both the benchmark indices and broader markets closed the day in red. At a closer look, Nifty 50 and Sensex both closed 0.54% lower and Bank Nifty closed 0.49% lower. IT stocks were pulled down today due to profit booking and shares of companies like Wipro, Infosys, and TCS closed 0.5 to 3% lower. Metal index was the top loser among the sectoral indices today. The top Nifty 50 gainers for today are Maruti, Titan, Bajaj Finserv, ONGC, and Mahindra & Mahindra, while the top Nifty 50 losers are Adani Ports, Devil's Lab, Wipro, JSW Steel, and L&T. Speaking of stocks, Bharat Electronics shares extended today's early gains, touching a 3-year high of 169 rupees after the company gave a positive outlook on the order flows and capital expenditure in its earnings calls. The company is also looking for a partner to manufacture the lithium ion cells, which are generally used in the portable electronics and electric vehicles. Indian Hotels company shares surged over 4% today, touching a 6-month high of 145 rupees as the company may consider raising capital to tide over the crisis caused by the second wave of COVID-19. The stocks finally closed 1.93% higher. Adani Group of Company shares remained under pressure today after reports said that Norway's largest pension fund, KLP, is divesting from Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone on the grounds that the company's link with Myanmar military breaches the fund's responsible investment policy. News of Enforcement Directorate seizing assets worth 18,200 crore rupees in money laundering cases by fugitives like Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, and Mehul Choksi brought some cheers to the banking stocks. Out of the total amount, 9,370 crore rupees was transferred to the central and public sector banks who face losses due to these frauds. Shares of United Breweries closed 3.61% lower, McDowell Holdings closed 2.14% lower, and PNB shares closed 2.30% higher. On the technical side, indices are seen trading in a range ahead of the monthly futures and options expiry, and any directional move can be expected once index breaks the recent highs. Any rise to the 15,850 to 15,900 area can be used to go short, and demand is near the 15,650 to 15,550 levels. Bank Nifty continues to face resistance at 35,200 to 35,400 levels, and support is placed at 34,400 to 34,100 levels. For the uptrend to continue, it is important that Nifty 50 closes above 15,900 levels and Bank Nifty closes above 35,500 levels. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe. Like and share our videos. Also, leave a comment below on your thoughts about today's session. Follow us for regular updates like these. Namaste.